name is Alexis Alvarado. I'm a senior 2D studio art major here at Eastern Illinois University. I'm a first-generation college student. I came here on 2 scholarships, and then as my years went by, from freshman year and on, I received multiple honors, awards, and more scholarships. My concentration is in painting and printmaking. If I didn't have the scholarship money that I received, I wouldn't have been able to go away to school. I wouldn't have been able to have the experience of leaving home and learning how to live on your own and meet the amazing people I've met, work with the amazing professors that I've worked with who have really helped me grow, not only as an artist, but as a person. I've always loved painting. Like, it's just always been something that I always want to do. Being alone with myself and just making something is like, it's the best feeling. And then when people look at it and say, oh wow, I can connect to that, or this painting makes me feel something, listening to someone say that is the best feeling in the world. That someone can connect to something that you made, or enjoy something that you spent hours and hours and lack of sleep on. It's great, it's amazing. The role that scholarship donors have is, it's very important. If they didn't donate what they did, then students like me wouldn't have the opportunities that they do.